Hey, what's up, fishing freaks? It's an early day off of work today, so I'm gonna try to find a place to fish. The place that I have to go later on for an appointment in the Tuckasegee, but I really want to go back to Griffith Lake and throw the lunker log because that's popping over there. Lunker log is popping. So trying to figure out what I want to do, where I want to go. I'm headed up to 7-Eleven for some coffee, you know, and a hot dog. That's a bad combination, right? Coffee and a hot dog. Awesome. Don't ever do that. I don't know what type of stomach stuff that would do, but I'm gonna head to 7-Eleven and figure out a plan for today because it's time to pop them rods. What's up, fishing freaks? Just trying to set some appointments, handling some business. But I did find a place to fish that's near my appointment. It's a familiar place I fished before, and different species this time. That's not something that always happens on tactical fishing, but I did it before, but it's been like so long ago since I did a video on this particular fish. So we're gonna get popping at this spot. It's hot. It's a nice spot. It's guaranteed catch, you know, there. So that's good to always catch, especially when you have those hot spots where there are guaranteed catches. It's always fun. So let's get it going. And let's start tactical fishing. Hey, what's up, guys? Change of plans. I'm not gonna do Dutchman Creek. I'm gonna do this place, and going to catch a biggin today. That's the goal, and that's what's gonna happen, what it's gonna be. We catch a biggin. So we're gonna break into this place and do what we do, man. We tear it down. So let's get it popping. Hey, what's up, guys? Here at Walmart, picking up some stuff, but y'all won't believe what they have at Walmart. Walmart has stepped it up big time because they have mystery tackle box at Walmart. Mystery tackle box. So I'm gonna have to get I can do MTB slam. I'm laughing so hard because I can do MTB slam at Walmart. I mean, you can actually do this at Walmart. It's Bass Fishing Kit. It's amazing. what's up, guys? Like I said, change of plans. We're gonna do some of that good old school fishing with night crawler and that old school setup, an egg weight, and also a Texas rig and my gorilla knot. And that's all the setup I'm going to use today. The night crawler, how I do my night crawler is I put the whole night crawler all the way through, head first, all the way through, all the way to the tip. That way the fish sees nothing but a night crawler, no hook, and they grab it whole and they start to run. And so basically like a catfish setup, you know. If you don't know how I did that, I basically put enough through the egg weight and I looped it twice, had me enough slack, and I tied it. The egg weight, if you can see that, I don't even think you can see it no more, but I tied the egg weight from this and I tied it, pulled it all the way, and I gave enough space between that, and I tied on my gorilla knot to my Texas rig. But this is the best way to hook up with a fish without putting the bobber on. I know that's like the old school way of doing it, but this is the best way, man. You know, you can tell if you have the fish, if the rod bends, if the rod bends, you got it. But a lot of times the rod just kind of knocks. It kind of goes back and forth like that. You know, sometimes you have to check it to see, but we're gonna do some old school fishing. Let's get it popping. All right, guys, been trying to find a spot to land at because I don't have a lot of time to keep walking, and I gotta hit this appointment. But if you look there, it's a cove. It's nothing but like shallow all the way to that main point where that bridge is. But there's a drop off, a cliff toward the end. But I don't have enough time to go all the way to the drop off, because I got to start fishing and hook something giant. Look at all this. All that water, man. It's so beautiful. I feel like you're at like a Coney Island somewhere. It's magnificent. So we're gonna get set up and launch out to the deep and do some old school fishing. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get set up. Got tongue twisted. Go ahead and get set up and stage our spot, and see if we can pull out of Iswa Reserve Park or something like that. So we're gonna be throwing the big the night crawlers. Can't see my face. There we go. We're throwing the big end, some night crawlers. And these boys are juicy. I tell you, they got the juice. And they're perfect for open water. I mean, you talk about, you know, fish coming in and swarming, something like that. I expect to hit pretty quickly. Let's see. Put that night crawler all the way through, baby. Best way to do it. Night crawler all the way through. I'm gonna get this rod all set up. And see, all that fish is gonna see is that whole worm. So I'm ready to launch. Oh, I pulled too quick. No! I pulled way too fast. I hit that same spot. Same spot. right, guys, we are at spot number 2, and this is the place I was trying to get to. Got the little drop off, and it's more opportunity for deeper water, and deeper water is bigger fish. So let's get it popping. This is a serious opportunity for a big fish. Very serious opportunity. First fish of the day. Little baby. All right, guys, just finishing up. Great job today. A lot of fun, and very exciting day. So I'll catch you guys next time.
Don't wake me, I'm not dreaming.